Today we are going to study an important topic from mathematical logic: concept, statement, and truth value of a statement. First, let us understand what a statement is. In mathematics, a statement is a declarative or assertive sentence that is either true or false, but not both at the same time. This means a statement must clearly say something definite. For every statement, we should be able to decide whether it is true or false. A sentence cannot be true and false at the same time. There is one more important condition. A statement must be clear and unambiguous. It should not create confusion, and it must have a definite truth value. In logic, statements are usually represented by small letters such as P, Q, and R. Truth value of a statement. Now let us understand the truth value of a statement. In logic, every statement has a truth value. If a statement is true, we say that its truth value is T. If a statement is false, we say that its truth value is F. Description of the concept. It is important to know which sentences are statements and which are not. Only assertive sentences that express a clear fact or claim are considered statements in logic. However, questions, commands, exclamatory sentences, and suggestions are not considered statements because we cannot decide whether they are true or false. A statement must always be complete and precise. It should not depend on mood, feeling, or emotion. This classification helps us apply logical reasoning and mathematical proof correctly. Important note: in logic, we work only with sentences that can be clearly identified as true or false. Therefore, sentences like "What is your name?" or "Shut the door" are excluded from logical operations. This helps maintain clarity and consistency in mathematical reasoning. Illustration 1. Following are statements. Now let us look at some examples of statements. Sentence: Sun rises in the east. This sentence is true, therefore it is a statement and its truth value is T. Sentence: 5 multiplied by 2 gives 11. This sentence is false. Still, it's a statement because we can clearly say that it is false, so the truth value is F. Sentence: Every triangle has 3 sides. This sentence is always true, so it is a statement and the truth value is T. Sentence: Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. This is a factual sentence and it is true, so the truth value is T. Sentence: Every equilateral triangle is an equiangular triangle. This is a true fact from geometry, hence it is a statement and the truth value is T. Sentence: A natural number is an integer. This sentence is true, so the truth value is T. Illustration 2. Following are not statements. Now let us look at sentences that are not statements. Sentence: Please give your pen. This is a request. It cannot be judged as true or false, so it is not a statement. Sentence: What is your name? This is a question, not a statement. Sentence: What a beautiful place it is. This is an exclamatory sentence, not a statement. How are you? This is a question, not a statement. Do you like to play tennis? This is also a question, so it has no truth value. Open the window. This is a command, not a statement. Let us go for tea. This is a suggestion, not a statement. Sit down. This is an order, not a statement. Important reminder: interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, commands, orders, requests, and suggestions cannot be assigned truth values. Therefore, they are not considered statements in logic. Daily life example sentence: Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. This is a scientifically true fact. Hence, it is a statement and its truth value is T. Sentence: Can I borrow your book? This is a question, so it is not a statement. Sports-related example statement: Sachin Tendulkar scored 100 international centuries. This sentence is true, so it's a valid statement and the truth value is T. Sentence: Will you play football with me? This is a question. Therefore, it is not a statement in logic. Daily life analogy. Now let us understand this with a simple analogy. Imagine a light bulb. If the switch is on, the sentence "the bulb is glowing" is true, and the truth value is T. If the switch is off, the same sentence becomes false, and the truth value is F. In the same way, a logical statement must have a clear true or false status. In logic, there is no maybe and no perhaps. Only a clear truth value is allowed.